Physics Part 28. All the experiments has to do is check whether there is a zero error and adjust if necessary. Note whether the display indicates A or MA and observe the position of the decimal point. The uncertainty in the reading of a digital meter is expressed in terms of overall uncertainty and the uncertainty in the last digit. When in use, you will note that the last digit of the display fluctuates from one figure to another. You can try to estimate the mean of fluctuation, but if this fluctuation occurs, there is clearly uncertainty in the last digit of the value. Multimeters. The multimeters or multifunction instruments are available in both analog and digital forms. Such meters may include switched options for the measurement of direct and alternating currents and voltages, and of resistance with several ranges for each quantity being measured. If you use a multimeter, make sure you are familiar with the controls so that you can set the instrument to measure the quantity you require. Multimeter. The choice of method. Much will depend on the selection of the meters available in your laboratory. Before you set up your circuit, make a rough calculation to determine the ranges of currents and voltages that you will have to measure. This is a vital part of planning process, and will help you make sure that you select the appropriate instrument from those that are available. In some laboratories, multimeters are provided for use primarily as test instruments to be available to anyone who wishes to make a rapid check on the currents, potential differences or resistance in a circuit. If this is the rule in your laboratory, it is bad practice to use a multimeter in a long experiment when a single function or single range instrument would do the job equally successfully. Remember that to measure a current in component in a circuit, an ammeter should be connected in series with the component. To measure the potential difference across the component, a voltmeter should be connected in parallel with the component. The arrangement is shown in the figure. It's ammeter in series, component, voltmeter in parallel, and ammeter is connected in series with the component of voltmeter in parallel. Application: measurement of voltage using a cathode ray oscilloscope. The cathode ray oscilloscope with its calibrated VAR amplifier may be used to measure the amplitude of an alternating voltage signal. We have already seen how the time base of the CRO may be used to measure time. The signal is connected to the Y input and the Y amplifier, and time-based settings are adjusted until a suitable trace is obtained.